Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H9 Max smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to pair it with our iPhone. So we'll try and install the support app for the H9 Max on iOS platform. We will see if it works with our iPhone. Previously, we installed the support app for the Android smartphone. This time, we are going to use an iPhone. The support app for this wearable is the HRY Fine application. So, we have here the QR code on the smartwatch. Okay, so let me show you the QR code. So, we have here the QR code. So, we'll download this one and pair it with our smartwatch. So if you are interested to see if the H9 Max smartwatch works with the iPhone, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking this video, sharing it, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and install the support app for the smartwatch. So let's go to the App Store, and I already searched the app here. Just search HRY Fine. Then you will have this support app. Okay, as you can see here, 155.4 MB. Okay, so we will try to install this on our phone. So let's wait for it to finish installing in our smartphone. So as you can see here, the download is okay. It's fast. So let's wait for it to finish downloading and installing. So it's done. Open the app. Okay, as you can see here, it is asking for a permission to use our location. So we will allow it once. Then next, we have another permission here. In order to connect to the Bluetooth device, we have to turn it on. So requires Bluetooth permission. Then another one, would like to send you notifications, we'll allow it, and that's it. Okay, you have an option to sign up or log in using your Apple ID, Google account, or your email. In our case, because this is just a demo, we will have to choose direct login. So let's wait, and we have here the account has been established. So let's wait for it. Remember your account and password. Confirm. Okay. Then let's use this one. Then confirm. Okay, so we already set our profile. So help support our business will continue. So ask app not to track or allow. Okay, because this is just a demo, we'll allow it. Then to add your smartwatch, tap on me. Then as you can see here, tap on search device. So let's wait for our smartwatch, and we have here the H9 Max smartwatch. So let's tap on the H9 Max. Okay, again, and it's now connecting. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Allow H9 Max to receive your iPhone notifications and other permission, we will allow it. Okay, I guess we are now paired with the support app. As you can see, very easy, no issues at all. Let's see if we are connected. Find my watch, and we are connected. So let's have the basic setup for our smartwatch. As you can see here, we are already paired. We have the health section here. We have the data for sports. We have the exercise here for your outdoor running with support for connected GPS. And we have here the smartwatch with the profile for your wearable. Okay, so these are the options. So let's wait for it. It is an ad. Close. And we have here the different options for your smartwatch. So let's have the preliminary setup for your H9 Max for your iPhone. Okay, so message notifications we will enable. Activate it. So we have SMS. You can disable some of the apps here that you are not using. Then KakaoTalk, Telegram. Okay. Then confirm. Okay, set successfully. Go back. We have a phone book. You can add also if you like. You have automatic heart rate measurement. You can activate this or disable it. Then we have the language settings. We'll follow the system. Synchronize the time. Set successfully. Let's see. And we have here the time. We have phone book, alarm, message notifications, and that's it. Okay, I guess you don't have to set the time anymore. It will follow the time of our phone. Okay, as you can see here, it is set to the 12-hour format time. For the watch face, let's see if we can change the watch face for the wearable. We have a section for the watch face. Go back. We have here the dial. We have a unit. Okay, that's okay for me. Tap on the dial. Go to the dial mall. So let's try if we can download the watch face here. Let's try this, the free watch face. Okay, let's try this one. Solid minimalist color. Download now. Congratulations, use immediately. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. So hopefully we'll have a successful download of the watch face. And we have here our new watch face for the H9 Max. Using our iPhone, paired it with our iPhone and the HRY Fine application. And so far, seems like it's stable. It's not disconnected. Okay, it's still connected here. As you can see, no issues at all when pairing. Very easy to pair. And as you can see, it goes smoothly with our iPhone. Okay, again, this is the tutorial for the H9 Max, pairing it with your iPhone with the HRY Fine application. Again, if you have any questions regarding the pairing, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!